like, hit the notification bell, and content you be the first to be.
Hi guys, hello viewers out there, it's Kevin again. Welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen TV. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. So on today's topic, I'm gonna be talking about the three type of people you can find in life. These people might be your friend, they might be your co-worker, they might be your neighbor, they might be a family member, it might be you. So I'm going to explain these three sets of people, the character they have and how they behave and their mindset. So first of all, the first set of people, the first kind of people, or the first character you find in anywhere you are, in place of work or in your environment, your neighborhood. These kind of people are the people that are very positive. They have very high positive mindset. They find reason to everything. There's always a reason for everything. They know that there's no coincidence in life. Everything happens as a puzzle, and they always try as much as possible to put the puzzles together. They always find a good reason for everything that happened to them. They always find a positive reason for everything that happened to them. They always find a way out in every situation. So they are also someone that don't give up in anything they do. So when they try something and they fail, they know that failing and giving up is the real failure. But failing and trying again is not failing. So when you fail and you try again, that is, you've not failed, you are trying again. So this set of people don't really fail in life. They don't lose in life. They always win, because when they fail, they go back, reinforce themselves, and try again. So those are the first set of people. They are very positive. When you are around them, you get positive vibe. They help you to achieve your goals. They give you positive advice. They don't try and discourage you when you want to try something new. They are people that you would like to be around with. When you are around them, you enjoy being around them. So those are the first set of people. So you might meet this kind of people in your life. You might be a friend to this kind of people. Also a co-worker or a neighbor or a family member. You might even be this kind of person, this first set of people. Then the second set of people are the people that complain about everything. They complain about everything in life. They complain, they have reason for every situation they find themselves. And the reason they have for this situation that they are, or the situation they find themselves, is a very bad reason. They blame someone, they blame this, they blame that. They always play the victim. They blame one ugly auntie they have in the village that is the witchcraft that's troubling them. They can blame their uncle. They blame everybody. They just lay blame their boss for everything. They have excuses. So these people, you can't stay around them. You can't discuss anything with them. All they do is gossip. You can't tell them that this is what I want to try. They will discourage you. They will tell you that this idea is not good. Don't try it. Based on they can't try it. They do try things, but they fail all the time. When they fail, they give up. They don't care about trying again, based on those ideas are not their ideas. Those ideas are ideas of someone they've discouraged and say, you don't do this, it's not going to work. So they'll go behind and go and try. They will fail. When they fail, they will give up. Really, it's not their idea. They don't really want to do it. So they are very ambitious. They want to try everything, but they keep failing. So when they fail, they will give up. So you can't be around these people. You can be this person. You might have this person as a friend. You might have this person as a co-worker or a family member. So that is the second set of people, the second kind of people. Then the third kind of person, the third kind of people are the people that don't really care about anything about life. They don't want to try anything. They are not ambitious. They don't want anything. They just want to depend on someone. They depend on their auntie who is in abroad, or their uncle who is in America that send them money. They beg everybody. They borrow clothes, borrow shoe, borrow shirt, borrow everything they borrow everything. They don't really care. They don't want to get their own. They don't really care if they have or they don't have. They don't care if they have a house. They don't care about anything. They're just living life. They don't want to do anything for mankind. They're just living like that, having fun, going places, having fun, have a lot of friends, party, eat, go anywhere. They don't really care about themselves. Those are the people that just live, and their life will cut short based on they don't really know themselves. They are living anyhow. So you can't be around those people. You can't even discuss with them based on they will not have any positive thing to talk or discuss with you. You can't discuss anything about them. Most of these people, they might be 40 something years and they will still be living in their parents' house. They might be 40 something, 50 something, they are still living with someone. They can't even stand their life. They can't build their self. They can't build a home. They are just living like that. So that is the third set of people. That is the third group. That is these three set of people. You might be one of them. So the first set, you don't really need anything to change about those characters. If you are one of those kind of people, you are living good, you are okay, you have a positive mind, you have a positive mindset, you are thinking straight, everything is okay and organized in your mind. So the cause of this character or the cause of this behavior is the mindset. I've always said this in all my videos. Is your mindset, how you program your mind, how you are thinking. So someone who is on the first group, his mind is already programmed in a positive way. His mind is programmed for winning. His mind is programmed for positivity. He knows that if he fails, he can try again. But failing and giving up, that is a real failure. You failed woefully. But if you fail and try again, you've not failed. So this person that is in that first group is always going to win in everything he does. He's always going to win anywhere he is. He's going to manifest great things for himself. So someone who is in the second group, that person is someone who his mind is not organized, is drowning himself in his deep negative state, is letting other people come and put something in his mind for him to think about. He don't really know himself. He or she don't really know what they really want for themselves. So they are looking at someone else's life to judge their life. They are looking at what someone else is doing to create their own life or to do something for themselves. Those are the people that don't really know what they want in life. They don't really know themselves. They have not found themselves. They have a lot of friends. They have a lot of people that are kind of bringing them down. So that they don't really have choices of their own. They kind of see someone else doing stuff and they want to try. So when they try, they fail, they give up based on it's not really their choice. It's not really their idea. So they see someone else doing another stuff, they kind of want to try, they fail, they don't really care because they never wanted to do it before. It's not their idea, they saw someone else doing it, that's why. So they are kind of blaming other people based on they know that they are that kind of people that try to make someone else fail based on they want to do what that person is doing. So they try it and they can't do it. So and this person is doing it. So they will feel bad. They will want this person to fail based on they can't do it. Sometimes they can't even try at all. They can't even try. So they look for easy things that someone else is doing that they can try and do. So they want that other person to fail based on they failed and they couldn't do what that person is doing. So that is the second set of people. That is their mindset. They are so deep in their negative state. So they don't really know what they want. They've not found themselves. They are in the middle, but they are very ambitious. They want to do something with their life. They really want to make something out of their life, but they don't know how to start. Based on they don't really know what they want. They are looking at other people, and other people are placing thought in their mind for them to think of. So most of the things they try and they fail, it's not really their thought, it's not really their idea. It's someone that places it in their mind and they try. They are not afraid of trying things. They are not afraid of starting things. They are very ambitious. They have a will. They have a very strong will of starting things. They can start things easily. It's not difficult for them to start things. So that is the second set of people. Then the third set of people are the people that don't really care about life. They don't really know what is going on. They don't really care about what is going on. They are just following everything that is happening, but they are following the wrong side. They think that life is yours to enjoy. Come, enjoy yourself, live life, bear kids. Even if you don't work, if there's someone that can help you out, they beg for people to help them. They don't really want to do something with their life. They don't want to do something that will benefit anybody. They don't really want to help anybody. All they care is about themselves, just to make themselves feel okay, just to make the body feel okay. They care about the body. They're not really using their mind. They don't really care about anything. They don't really care about life. Just live life, enjoy yourself. So those are the three sets of people that I've met in my life, and I've met all those people. I've met them as co-workers, as neighbors. So if you are one of these kind of people, this set of people, and you are not one of the good set of, because there's only one set that is good. That is the first set of people. So if you are the second set of people, you are the kind of person that like to try things and you will give up, like to do things and you will give up. You are trying ideas and these ideas are not your ideas and you are giving up. What you should do is to really look for something that you know you love, what you know you love doing. This is not something that you know that your friend is doing, or you know that your auntie or your uncle or your neighbor or your co-worker is doing. This is what you know you love doing. This is your character. It's built in you. So this is what you like doing. So if this is your first time on my channel, I advise you to check my old videos. I did a video about how to find yourself. I'll put that video in the description below so that you can go and check that video. How to find yourself, how to know who you are, so how to know thyself. So I will put that video link in the description below so that you can go and check that video. So if you are someone that is like that and you like doing something that someone else has done, or you want to be like someone else, you can't be like someone else. You must be yourself. You can't be like somebody else. So you have to know that first. You have to find yourself. You have to find what you love doing. There's something that you love doing. There's something that is built in you. That is the self. So I'll put that video that I did in the description below, so you go and check that video. It will help you. So if you are the third set of people, the third set that you are really following, you are just a follower. So you have to find yourself, know what you really love doing. It's like the second set is just little difference, but there are people like that wait for their uncle to give them money, wait for their auntie to give them money, wait for their friend to borrow them their shirt, borrow them shoes, borrow them everything. They borrow everything. They don't really have, they don't care. They are not even thinking that you are wearing someone else's clothes. They borrow everything. They don't really care about it. So if you are someone like that, there's no free time in this life. There's no free thing. There's no free lunch for anybody. So you have to work hard for yourself. Based on those time you are wasting and you are collecting time from someone else, it's going to affect you. It's going to affect your generation to come. It's not only going to affect you. It might not affect you now, but your generation that is coming after you is going to affect them. They're going to pay for it, because if you waste your time, someone is going to pay for that time. So you have to try as much as possible to use your time to do something better. Use your time. Any time that you have that is free, use it to do something better. Use it to develop yourself. Increase your mind. Develop yourself. Increase the knowledge you have. Learn things. Try and know things. It can help you so that you can use your time to do something that will benefit you, so that your generation that is coming after you will not suffer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you are one of this set of people, I've also explained how you can know if you are one of this set of people. So how you can change and how you can get out of this group, if it's a bad group, if it's a bad set. So you can go and check my previous video. I'll put that link in the description below so that you can go and check. So I will see you in my new video. Ciao guys, see you in my new video.